Hi, I'm Lara Camille, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do your wallpaper in a fall/Halloween theme with the new iOS 14. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did it and how mine looks. So let's go. I'm going to start screen recording now. So as you see, I have a little wallpaper that I created for my home screen, which if you want to see how I create some wallpapers, I have a video on that which I can put, I don't know if it's here or here somewhere, but yeah. Then this is my actual home screen. So I have a color widget that is Halloween themed. If you have the app, if you download the app Color Widgets, they have a lot of things and different backgrounds, and you can also put your own background, but they have one that is actually Halloween themed, and that's the one, which this one right here is the one I used. But right now they added a lot more of like fall aesthetics so that weren't before, so they're really cute, so you can just choose out of those. So then I did my apps. So for my apps, I was using the iPhone app, which is Shortcuts. Let me look for it here. So this is the app Shortcuts. It has all my apps right here. And you just click add creation, then you click script, open app, and then you just choose your app. So I'm gonna choose the game Among Us, just cause, and then you just click on the little three dots up there and you put the name. So you click Among Us, then then you go to add to home screen, and then there you click on the little like icon and you click on choose photo, and there you can put whatever, like you can just put like an imposter right here, and then just click choose and then add, and then that thing is added to your home page, and when you click it, it automatically takes you to the app. It does go through the app Shortcuts. I am pretty sure there's a way to do it so it doesn't, but I don't know how to do it, and for me it actually doesn't bother me the fact that it goes to Shortcut, but there's people that do, so if it bothers you, there's probably a way to do it, but I don't know. Okay, so I don't need this one, so I'm going to delete it, but that's basically how I did every single one of them. I looked for images in Pinterest for the ones that have like cute aesthetic like images, and then for the ones that have like the orange background, I just looked for the background, and then I looked for a transparent image of the logo so I could put it in front of it. Then I used the app Widgetsmith, which is the app you can use to put pictures on your widgets. So if you see, all of mine are right here, and you just click add widget, you click on it, and you go to default widgets, and then you go down, scroll down until you find the one that says customs right here, and you click on photos, then you click on the bottom image that says select photos, you click choose photos, and you just take a random picture that you want to use. Then you will save it, and it will appear right here on all of the ones that you have. And to put it on is really simple. You just put your like apps like that. Then you go to widgets, and you go scroll down until you find Widgetsmith. You click on the small one or the size that you actually shows, and then after that you just click it, like 3D touch it, force touch it, and you will find that it says edit widget, and right there it says all the names of the ones you have, so you just choose whichever you want to appear, and it is there. So that's basically how I did it. So yeah, there you can see all my apps. So my apps are basically Messages, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Books, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, Twitter, Music. I have the secret feed free, which is basically the way to find your Starbucks secret menu. Then there's the Starbucks app. Then I have another 3 Widgetsmiths, a big one that says Hollywood Halloween, because right there I have all the apps that are sort of like movies related or anything, anything like artistic related. So I have Disney Plus, Netflix, iMovie, Famous Birthdays, Hulu, Cinemas, which is the app My Cinemas, to like see which movies are airing in cinemas. Right now there's nothing, but well, I think there is, but I don't know. Guitar Tuna, which is basically to tune your guitar, ukulele, or any like instrument like that. And then there's Tabs, which is basically to see the chords of songs if you want to play on your guitar, piano, or wherever you want to play. And then I have other Widgetsmiths. Then I have an actual like Apple widget, which is basically I have the Stacks widget, which I'm going to show you all the ones that I have. Okay, so here I have batteries, weather, clock, calendar, music, map, and notes. So you can go right here, you see the battery, notes, and all that. Then I have my camera, photos, weathers, my notes app, calendar, clock, maps, and app store. So I decided to put an Apple widget on top because this page is where I actually have all my Apple like apps that come with the phone, but the ones I use the most. So yeah, that's why it shows that. So all the other apps, what you can do is basically you can just put them in your app library and you won't see them on your screen. Or it's easier to do what I did, which is that I had all my apps in one little, I can show it here, in one screen, in one like page. And what I did is that with this new update, you can actually eliminate a page and it won't appear in your like phone screen, but it will always be saved there, so you don't lose any of the apps that you have there. So you see all my apps are color coded, and that's how they were before I actually did the update and everything. And you can see them all there, but I can just like force touch, click on the little like buttons down below, and then just unclick it. Just click done, and then you have everything, but you still have your apps there. And any app that is not here on my actual screen, you can find it on your app library, so it's way easier to find it, and you don't have to have all your apps in your actual home screen. So yeah, that is it for this video. I love I just love like redecorating my phone, and I want to do it for like Christmas and every time, like every season, every holiday, and just change it because it just looks cool. It does take time, but it still looks really cool at the end. And I hope you guys enjoyed and you learned how to do it or got an idea for a type of aesthetic you want to do to your phone. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye!